Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel, and I just wanted to give you an update on what I'm working on. So I am doing another round of glue books. I just love making them. They are so much fun. And then I love picking the covers for them. So I have my entire table where I'm doing 7 glue books on this round. So let's go over the books covers that I have chose. So here I have 7 piles of all of my papers that I'm going to use, plus some more. My process is I gather all of the books, calendars, wallpaper, map books, everything that I'm going to put into the a glue book, and I just undo all of the pages in the book. So I take the not this book, but I take the book apart and I cut all of the and I only choose books that have been bound with the string, and I cut them out so I have full pages of everything. I really don't have any pages that that need to be like glued together. For instance, like this, it's a full page because it was put in with string. All of my papers and envelopes and all of that are all full sheet pages. So this is this I'm gonna do 7 this time. I'm asking for it, right? So I have chosen 7 book covers this time, and I'm doing a variety. So this one, I've always liked this book. It's called the Virginian, and it's a very old vintage book, and it has great coloring and aging on the pages. So I will take this book apart. Definitely I will use it for collaging and whatnot. Maybe I'll do some kits, because I had somebody ask me about can I share a lot of put on Etsy a lot of the stuff that I do in my hauls. So maybe I'll do a book page one, a vintage book pack. So this will be one cover. I do love the lady in the dress here with the flowers, and then she's got a cowboy here. So he's leaning on a fence post. So I just thought this would make a really great different glue book cover. So I will be doing that one. And then we have The American Dream, the 1950s. It's Our American Century. It's a Time Life book. So I will make this. I just thought it would be a really nice, beautiful plain cover that someone could decorate, or maybe you're a plain person, you like simple, and you would just love this cover. It says The American Dream, and then of course you're gluing in there. So I chose this as another cover, so it's black with the gold embossed here. And then I chose this vintage Sleepy Time Tales book. This is rather large, and I am going to use this, and the book pages will be in the journal or in the book. So this is another great one. I always love to do a vintage children's book. And then this one is Lonesome, the Little Horse, His Mountain Adventure. Just thought this was beautiful. Maybe there's a horse lover, or you just love this front cover. So I will do this one, and look at it has nice birch trees and flowers on the back, and then you can collage or fill this in, or maybe I'll do a fabric here. So this is another large one also. And then I thought this was just beautiful for summer. The Dragonfly Door. It has beautiful, beautiful pages, which are going to be in the glue book. And let me see if I can find what the page looks like. They are very beautiful. Let me see if I can find one real quick in the pile. don't want to take up too much of your time. And watch, it's probably at the bottom. Where art thou? Let me just try a different pile here so I don't have to lean over the camera. They're beautiful, bright pages. Okay. Well, I don't want to take up too much. Oh, here we go. So here they are. They're bright, beautiful book pages, and they just have awesome, I just love it. I believe that's the one. I believe that's the one, because it's nice and bright like that, unless I had two pages, or two books that were the same. I don't think so. Yeah, I think that was it. So anyways, that I thought would be a beautiful book, and I thought maybe I would do yellow fabric here for the spine because we have the yellow flower here. I just thought that was beautiful, and the back is beautiful as well. All right, and then I thought I would do this one. If you can see it okay, it's a beautiful embossed rose, and this is a landscape type book, which I always like to try to do one of those. It gives you a little bit longer, wider space to do your glue booking, and this is Beauty and the Beast. This is a different rendition, Beauty and the Beast book. So I thought this would be a great cover to do a glue book on, and it's a beautiful brown fabric cover, so I thought that would be cool. And then the last one is I love the National Geographic Society books. A couple glue books back, I did one with a fawn on the front. I think it was about spring, and then there was another one about summer animals, I believe. So this one is exploring the seashore. It's got two kids here, you know, checking the water out. And this book, it's vintage. I'm not sure if it was 80s, 70s, but this I thought would be a beautiful cover with some, she's got blue here in her little outfit. He's wearing a blue sweatshirt. And then this is kind of a creamy, kind of a yellow color here, so I might find a ribbon or a fabric that matches this really well too. So those are all of my book covers that I'm going to be doing, and this is just what I'm working on. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. I am still working on Across the Blue Bridge. I need to finish that up, but the glue booking, I can take my books upstairs with the family, and I can work on them up there, versus some of the other stuff I can't take upstairs. So I was just doing some multitasking. So anyways, that's a preview of what's going on, and hope everyone is doing well. All right, thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.